Welcome to Sly Airbrush, baby. Let's go. We're about to knock out our best design. I want to say, I think Diana did this. I want to say Chino Stencils. Diana made this design. Thank you, Diana. I hate it. But people keep bringing it to me. So you did something right. Oh man, so if it sells, you know you can't complain. You can't complain if it sells. Shouts out to ChinoStencils.com. Shouts out to his wife Diana. He's one of the best airbrush artists in the game out there in Las Vegas. Yep. Check him out when you get a chance. Ride safely and have a great day. Thank you. They get busy. Chino also owns Chino Stencils. I said that, but he owns E-Tac too. Airbrush paint line as well. And that's my dog. Boy. At the shop knocking out holiday shirt. And we call this one the Bestie design. I don't know who created it, but as I think, correct me if I'm wrong, you can leave a comment if you know, but I think it was Diana. This says Bestie, right? Not Bestie. And it's not a design.
She has the best friend design.
Welcome racers. For your safety, please listen to the following rules. The gas pedal is on the right and the brake pedal is on the left. The seatbelt must be worn and adjusted tightly. You must keep both hands on the steering wheel at all times. Please secure all loose clothing. Long hair must be pulled back into your ponytail and tucked into the back of your shirt. If your car should stop, remain seated and ready to hit. During the race, the car head has a right of way. When the car behind will go in contact with slower or stop traffic. So the absolute no bumping, swerving, or hitting the rails. At the end of the race, the red light will indicate that the wire is over.
Oh, I got the design in my shop. The customer like brung it, and while I was painting it, I think somebody else bought it. And then like while I was painting, somebody else bought it. I was like, you know what? Excuse me, if I sell something 3 times, I'd be like, yeah. It's going on the wall, and that's what we did. A little abstract print lettering with some script. All right, we got that part done. Then we're gonna write the name.
Welcome racers. For your safety, please listen to the following rules. The gas pedal is on the right and the brake pedal is on the left. The seatbelt must be worn and adjusted tightly. You must keep both hands on the steering wheel at all times. Please secure all loose clothing. Long hair must be pulled back into your ponytail and block forward or stop traffic. There will be absolutely no bumping, swerving, or hitting the rails. At the end of the race, the red light will indicate that the wire is over. Please slow down and into the loading area with caution. Remain seated until directed to exit by the attendant. Reckless driving or breaking the rules will not be allowed, and anyone doing so will be asked to distract out of your vehicle. Remain seated until directed to exit. Remain seated until directed to exit. Remain seated until directed to exit. Remain seated until directed to exit.
Blue shadow up top, pink on the bottom.
Remain seated until directed to exit. 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 Please remain seated until directed to exit. Please remain seated until directed to exit.
There we go.
Please remain seated until directed to
Big
exit.
shadow on the bottom.
Please remain seated until directed to exit. Please remain seated until directed to exit.
Got to refill my paint. Running low on my Create Text color.
Attention drivers, you may now exit your car into the track. As you exit, please no running or pushing. Attention drivers, you may now exit your car into the track. As you exit, please no running or pushing. Thank you for entering with us, and please come back again.
Outline and trace it out. Boom. And then we put some polish. Need paint. Hold that thought. Hey. Let's go. You see it. Fluorescent. Create text. Pink. Good refill. Now we good. Good. If you like it, if you love it, let me know. And if you need something done, you know where to go. airbrush.com. Print your shirts now.com. Start on the heart. There we go. Highlights and we don't call this done, baby. Yes, sir. That's what I call a good tutorial. We just shot a tutorial of a best design here at the shop. I want to say, I'm not sure, but a customer came in. I told the story once. I'm filming on my Metasport short right now. I think Diana from Las Vegas, Chino wife, did this design. And someone brought it in. I think I recognize it as her work. I'm not sure though, so don't quote me on that. Customer brought it in, and we sold it like 3 times in a row while we were doing it. So it became a home for Fly Airbrush. Shout out to ChinoCentral.com and shout out to Diana. She's an awesome airbrush artist in Las Vegas. A great friend of mine. There we go, baby. Let's get it. FlyAirbrush.com, purchaseshirts.now.com. Get there. If you like it, if you love it, let me know. And if you need something done, you know where to go. I'll let your boy, and I'll get you all the way 100% right. We ship worldwide. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more content and tutorials. Peace! Peace! Hey.